Okay, so check this out, people. I initially was just gonna make the video on cleaning the air filter, the in-cabin air filter. I think that's what it's called. I honestly don't even know what it's called, but anyways, you're literally gonna see me replace a filter in here. Now, here's the thing. Have you ever had a crappy air conditioner in the Acadias? I'm talking the air just sounds like it's trying to blow, but it's not blowing like it should. Well, I'm here to tell you, I just swapped that. I didn't even swap it for a new one. I just cleaned it. I just blew it out with hair. But let me tell you, it pretty much doubled the airflow capacity coming out of my AC units. So we always had a problem with it not blowing very good, right? Like just the amount of air. I don't know if you can hear that, but just the amount of airflow that fan should be putting out. I always thought there was a problem. My daughter sometimes hates driving this because it just doesn't blow like it should. So if you're having problems with your air conditioner on your Acadia, your Traverse, all these things that are all the same, clean this filter. Keep watching, do this, do the how-to, clean that out, and comment down below if that helps you, because I was just gonna do a little how-to change that because I was doing it. But I'll tell you what, it fixed my air conditioner blower problem. I felt like it was just too soft, and now it blows just fine. So anyways, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, so check it out. We're gonna do something that this is where we kind of started with the YouTube channel. Sorry, so dark here, but all right. So I've got this GMC Acadia. It's a 2013. But right here we've got our cabin air filter. Now, basically, it goes right there. So you're gonna want to open your glove box. Obviously, that's this little thing. Now, this air filter here basically goes up. Let me adjust this GoPro. Basically, goes up, fits in there, right? So goes in there like that. Now, here's the deal. It's got this little tab here, one here, and one here. I don't know how good you can see this. I kind of stole my light. But there's 4 tabs right there. You're just going to want to stick your finger in there, pull those ones, and then this slides out. So we're going to stay tuned here just a second. We've got the whatchamacall this thing, air compressor. We've got it full of air. So alright, so we're gonna stick you on the ground here so we can show you. So we're gonna show you how much to breathe. I've never cleaned this. This is the first time. Oh, why is that leaking? That's not good. Anyway, so look at this. Oh my, that is horrible. Oh man. That's how easy it is. Well, it's really easy. So if you have the peep, the Peep the blazer back there. But that's how easy it is. So now let's get back to it. This is gonna be a real quick, easy video. We're just gonna get back to it. I'm gonna show you how basically just put this bad boy back in. Now, pay attention to which area you know goes up top. You wanna make sure you kind of, you know, get it back in the same spot. Now, so that was easy enough. Now you got these little things right here, and these go into your, well, first you got to make sure this gets lined back up right here, because that's your you know, that's for your glove box. But we'll put this in here. Now there's these little things here. You basically just stick that in there. They only go one way, and then you gotta twist it. So hopefully we'll show you on this other one a little better. I'm trying to do this with, you know, just one-handed and stuff. But so there's that. Make sure, you know, it's up here, but you're just gonna want to twist that bad boy, and those are your stops, obviously, for your glove box. That's it. That's how easy it is to change. Not change, I mean, you can change it. I should have changed it. I should have just bought a new one. But I did the next best thing, and I blew it out. You might as well just buy a new one. Swap it out. But anyways, it's pretty simple. Yeah, hope everyone has a good day. I'm gonna leave you with this. Look at this. Smile. Smile every day. Every day you wake up, just smile. Be grateful for the things you have. Be grateful for the opportunities that are out there. There's actually a lot of opportunities for people to make money out there. You just gotta be willing to go the extra mile, I guess. Everybody has the same opportunities. Think about that.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way